How to create Centennial Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser or search engine on your phone or desktop. Then search for Centennial Bank here. Okay, now tap on the first link that is on top, which is the official website of the bank. Okay, wait for a while until the page is loading. This may take some time. Now we have come to the official website. So over here you can see various information and options available for you. But for now, just tap on Login at the top right here. Now just tap on Enroll Now right here if you want to create a new ID for Centennial Bank. Now after tapping on it, you will come across this page here where you have to fill in your details and credentials like your last name, your social security number, your date of birth, your email address, and your account type. What type of account are you willing to create here? And enter your account number. Then at last, you can either choose Find Me or the option of Clear. So if you go above, you'll see various processes here, like you have to enter your information, then you have to verify for your account, then you have to make a security check, and then you have to go through disclosure process, which is the agreement between the user and the bank, and at last you will successfully be able to create your account in Centennial Online Banking. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.